So the first thing you want to do when you get into your computer is to sign into your Google and then click on your apps, click sites. Right? And then when you get sites up, you could just go ahead and click the blank template. Right? So that gives you a blank web page. Right? The cool thing about that is it opens up and it's really simple. Right? But you can change the way it looks very easily by going to themes. And then on themes, you could choose different color theme schemes. You could change the text, or you could click and get a completely new theme. It switches everything up for you. Right? So say we use Vision. Well, I'm gonna use Vision for this. No, I'm gonna use Level for this example. You double click that title, you give your web page its the banner is a title. And so what I want you to do is create a title of your own. Right. The name I have for mine is the Crossfader. So you guys can't use Crossfader, but I think you kind of get the point. It's a text box just like any other document, so you could take that and move it around the way you want to. You could change the type of banner you have. But most importantly, you have a name there and you have space to work in. Go ahead and save your thing by giving it a name. Mhm. You can put your name on there or whatever you want to call it. Now, you see this empty space out here? That's where you go to add things. Over here to the side, if you click insert, it does the same thing. All right. So I'm going to model what it was I did to create my website. You'll notice that in your assignment, I actually have a website in there. This website, the Crossfader, you can actually see it in your Google Classroom. I did a lot of stuff to it. I made up fake ads. I added an extra page where I could post the songs and the lyrics. And I created another ad for cologne. Just did silly stuff to try to make the page stand out. All right. So let's start by playing around with adding something. All right. You can either add a text box from here, or you could double click here and you get a text here. If you want to add a picture, you would click the image box. If you want to add something from your Google Drive, you would click the Google Drive button. You want to embed something, which is advanced, but you can click advanced, embed. You can also change the layout in the section, which is how I did that second page. I'll show you that in a little bit. You could put an image carousel there. There are lots of different things you can do. And importantly, for this exercise, you can put a YouTube video in. That's important too because you have to give me some kind of a link to the song so I can understand what the song says, so I know that your analysis is correct. All right, because if you pick a song I don't know, be the same as if you were doing a poem and I didn't know it.